this question, now it can be written as 1 upon 2 minus x square plus 3 is equal to a upon 2 minus x plus bx plus c upon x square plus 3, because we can't make factors for x square plus 3. Now we are having 1 upon 2 minus x square plus 3 is equal to a with x square plus 3 plus bx plus c with 2 minus x upon 2 minus x square plus 3. Okay. Now what we are going to do, now we will be solving 1 is equal to a with x square plus 3 plus bx plus c with 2 minus x. Is it clear? So now this is equal to 1 is equal to ax square plus 3a plus 2bx minus bx square plus 2c minus cx. Now further we are getting we are having ax square minus bx square, a minus b x square. Then for x we are having plus 2bx minus cx, 2b minus c with x plus 3a plus 2c. Is it clear? Now comparing, the coefficients of x square, x and constant term. Now what we are getting, a minus b is equal to 0, 2b minus c is equal to 0 and 3a plus 2c is equal to 1. So on solving now, what we are having, a is equal to b is equal to 1 by 7 and c is equal to 2 by 7. So we are getting the values for a, b and c. Is it clear? Now let's put these values in our question. Now 1 upon 2 minus x square plus 3 is equal to 1 upon 7 upon 2 minus x plus 1 upon 7x minus 2 upon 7 upon x square plus 3. Okay, and this further we can write it 1 by 7 with 1 upon 2 minus x plus, now 1 by 7 it is it is bx plus c, so c is 1 upon 7x plus 2 by 7. So we are getting x plus 2 upon x square plus 3. Is it clear? So further this part also we can write it now 1 by 7 1 upon 2 minus x plus x upon x square plus 3 plus 2 upon x square plus 3. Okay. Now let's integrate. Now integrating. I is equal to integration of dx upon, we are having, sorry, it is 2 minus x with x square plus 3. Okay, so now we are having integration of 1 by 7, this 1 by 7. Okay, now integration for dx upon 2 minus x, first term, plus integration of x upon x square plus 3 dx, plus 2 integration of dx upon x square plus 3. Integration of x upon x square plus 3 dx. So what we are going to do it here, we can write it, let I1 is equal to this one, let x square plus 3 is equal to t, 2x dx is equal to dt, x dx is equal to dt upon 2. Okay, so we are having now 1 upon 2 integration of dt upon t, and this is 1 upon 2 log mod t plus c1. One thing. Similarly, we can move directly for this part. Okay. Now, what we are having, integration is equal to 1 by 7 integration of dx upon 2 minus x plus 1 by 14 log x square plus 3. I am sorry, just writing it once again. Okay, so now integration of 1 upon 7 integration of dx upon 2 minus x plus 1 upon 14 log mod of x square plus 3 plus 2 integration of dx upon x square plus root 3 whole square. Okay, now what this becomes, minus 1 upon 7 log mod of 2 minus x plus 1 upon 14 log x square plus 3 plus 2 upon 7 root 3 tan inverse x upon root 3 plus c. Okay, so this is the answer.